Here is a nice exponential equation. We need to solve the equation and find the value of a. The given equation is 2 to the power a plus 4 to the power a plus 8 to the power a equals 40. We can write this as 2 to the power a plus, we can write 4 as 2 square to the power a plus 8 as 2 cube to the power a equals 40. Next we can write 2 to the power a plus 2 to the power a whole square plus 2 to the power a whole cube equals 14. Because we can exchange the power, if we have something a to the power m whole to the power n, we can write this as a to the power n whole to the power n. We can exchange the power. So next we can write, we can consider 2 to the power a as k, and we can write as k plus k square plus k cube equals 14. Then we can write k plus k square plus k cube equals, we can separate 14 and we can write according to these given numbers 2, 4 and 8. We can separate like this: 2 plus 4 plus 8. The total is 14. Then we can write k minus 2 plus k square minus 4 plus k cube minus 8 equals 0. Next we can write k minus 2 plus k square minus 2 square plus k cube minus 2 cube equals 0. Next we can write k minus 2 plus, we can separate k square minus 2 square and apply a square minus b square formula. We can write k plus 2 times k minus 2 plus, we can apply cube formula, a cube minus b cube, and we can write k minus 2 times k square plus 2k plus 2 square means 4 equals 0. K square plus 2k plus 2 square means 4 equals 0. Then we can take the common term, which is k minus 2, and we can write 1 plus k plus 2 plus k square plus 2k plus 4 equals 0. Next we can write k minus 2 times 1 plus k plus 2 plus k square plus 2k plus 4 equals 0. Next we can write k minus 2 times k square plus k plus 2k is 3k plus 1 plus 2 3 plus 4 7 equals 0. Then we get here k minus 2 equals 0. From here we get k equals 2. And another term, k square plus 3k plus 7 equals 0. A square plus 3k plus 7 equals 0. Then from here, if we check the roots of this equation, we'll apply b square minus 4ac and we'll see the value of this term. We can write square root of, here b square is 3 square minus 4 times a means 1 and c means 7. So we can write 3 times 3 is 9 minus 4 times 7 is 28. We get square root of 28 minus 9 is minus 19. So the value of square root of b square minus 4ac is the square root of negative term, which we cannot accept. So the only valid solution for this equation is k equals 2. But we know the value of k. We know the value of k, which is 2 to the power a equals k. So we will put the value of k in this equation and we'll get k equals 2 to the power a, or we get 2 to the power a equals 2. We can write 2 to the power a equals 2 to the power 1. From here we get a equals 1. Since if we have a to the power m equals a to the power n, the bases are equal, then the exponents are equal. We can write m equals n. So this is the value of a, and this is the solution for our given equation. This is the end of our video. Thanks for watching the video.